Final thoughts. All of these sources and the above methods will bring tons of traffic to your site. Some of them may take some time to set up, but many of them have toolbars or buttons you can put right on your browser to make submitting easy for you, as is the case with the bookmarking sites and whatnot. More importantly, a lot of these methods can be rinsed and repeated time and time again. Continue to network, branch out, and adapt new methods and new media to drive traffic to your free report. Add links within your free reports such as upsell links, affiliate links, and anything else. This is the way to collect big time on the back end. You can even take a PLR ebook, cut it down, and make a sample of that book, and then provide that as your free report to people who opt in to your list. At the end of the report, include an enticing link to purchase the full version of the ebook. The main point here is to be consistent. Always put the top most quality into your list building efforts, and constantly be testing new things and improving in any way. If you continue to do your research, track successful campaigns, and always split test and monitor your results, you will be well on your way to making massive profits just from giving away lead magnet freebie reports and gifts.